How to allow others to share my Instagram post on story. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily allow other people to share your Instagram post on their Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app, then go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here, and then tap on menu in the top right corner here, and in menu tap on settings. Now in settings tap on privacy. In privacy tap on story, and in story scroll down, and here in sharing you have to turn this on, allow sharing to story. If you turn this on, other people can add your feed posts and IGTV videos to their stories, and so this is how you can allow other people to share your Instagram post on their story. Thanks for watching.